Guys, we got a 2023 Nissan 400Z. It's brand new. It's a stock. Go ahead. $91 is what it hit. $91.1 is the peak. There it is. That's stock. We'll let you guys hear when we get done.
Boys and girls, guess what we got? The new 400Z. The first one in our shop. Sexy black on black. Look at this thing, it's beautiful. So what we got done on it, it's got the 3.0 twin turbo also, which is an added benefit. It's about 360 to 400 horse. It's not too bad, and it's a 6-speed manual. So it's got everything that you want out of a Z. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there. So you guys know how the setup is. Factory converter there. Then what blew my mind, it's got 1 3/4 pipe factory. As you guys can see, it's tiny. Look at that. Like, I can wrap my fingers around it. It is tiny. And then it's got this Nissan X pipe that they made right there. And then again, it's even smaller here, 1 3/4 all the way back. And then we ran 2 1/4 pipe out the back instead of the big muffler that I'll show you guys in a second. There and there. And there's the tips right there. We put new tips on it, 4-inch black tips to complete the look. Right there, right there. It came out really clean, really nice. That's how you guys do a muffler delete on these. If anybody needed to know, hopefully we'll be the first ones to do it and show it to you guys. And there's the stock muffler that was on it. It's gigantic. It comes dual in, dual out. As you guys can see there. And it's got resonated tips on it too. See the resonated tips? So there's the muffler on it that we took off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, Nissan Z. That's what it sounds like with a muffler delete. Go ahead. Twin turbo, by the way, guys. It's not bad. You want more? You want to run with it for a little while?
It sounds okay.
340. Yeah, let's next day off.
Yeah,
Enjoy it for a week.
You're good.
It won't take long to do. You know, we can make the X pipe bigger. We'll run bigger pipe
Yeah.
and put 2
I'll see
vibrants
how
or
it sounds
something.
right now, just driving it around.
Sound good?
Yeah, it actually does.
I like it. Here's sound decibels, guys. Again. 104. Go ahead and back it out. It's on our channel.
The Valvetronic.
Yeah, oh, you go, yeah. I know Austin personally about Valvetronics. He came by the shop. That sounds really nice, actually. It's not bad at all.
You can hear the turbos.
Yeah.
That might be actually. We'll see. I've had 5.0, so it's hard.
Yeah.
You know, and I put
Let you
my-
guys hear it on the inside. '23 Nissan Z, or if you want to call it 400Z, twin turbo V6, black on black, really sexy car. Look at that. Our first muffler delete on it right there. Hope you guys like it. I think it came out sounding really nice. Not bad at all. We'll see how she goes when he gets on it when he leaves. Got a nice look to her. She's clean. Really nice. Hopefully more to come on these. Completed the look. We put some black tips on it for him too. There she goes. Oh man, that sounds really nice. Wow, especially being a 6-speed. Enjoy, guys.